Hey, Haas TV here. Right now, Tanner is outside putting oil in his car. I snuck out there. I took the fuel pump relay out. I'm pranking him that there's something wrong with his car. He's putting oil in his car. Now we just gotta wait for him to start it. Or try to start it, and then he'll realize it won't run. It won't start. What? Do it. Okay, stop. Stop here, let me see. Actually, pop the hood again and hold the hood up. Keep it up.
Okay.
Put the prop rod up.
What the what?
The prop rod to hold the hood up.
Oh.
Alright, and then get in the car. And then just cycle the key on and off. Don't start it. Oh, dude.
What?
Your fuel pump ain't kicking on.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Fuck.
Did it start fine this morning when you left?
Yeah. Now it's not kicking on?
No, it ain't kicking on at all. Because when I put my ear to it, you should have heard it kick on. You should have heard it like bzzz noise.
It started fine this morning.
Huh?
It started fine this morning.
Well, it ain't now.
Fuck.
Where's you going, Boone?
Yeah.
Well, it ain't starting now. Fuel pump probably like $200.
That's great.
Hey, but I could always put that back in.
You pranked me?
I pranked you. Hey, watch this, Tanner. Watch this. Watch this. No, stay in there. Stay in there.
Okay.
Start it.